Hey, this is Chris UX. I'm the founder of the Spy Agency here in Atlanta, Georgia. Back with another UX review of a Kickstarter campaign. This one is called Concert Buddy, where you can connect, meet, never miss a beat. We find buddies for you to go to concerts with. So we do these reviews to determine if a campaign done a user research or discovery before taking an idea to production or not. And to get you to go through a campaign video, I'll let you know my thoughts. But for this one right here, they didn't have a video. Sad. But I thought the idea was cool enough to still cover it on this channel. I like the idea of the concert buddy. So me personally, one of the few things I like to do outside of work, I like checking out live music or see some of my favorite artists live. And to me, like, yeah, I would go by myself because I know some stuff I listen to, and not too many people listen to it. But I think it's important to have somebody to share that experience with. Um, so yeah, I see it being an idea to have that. So I like the overall general idea. So here, Concert Buddy is a matching app. We connect local concert goers to experience live music together. And it says here is algorithm-based buddy matching, ticket price comparison, made deep and long-lasting friendships. That's a cool feature about the ticket price comparison. Create a profile, follow your favorite artists or bands, and connect with fun, chill people attending your favorite artists' upcoming concerts. Meet new concert buddies. Use our community to find your new concert best friend. Whether you're looking for someone to go with at the last minute to a festival or a group of people to bond with over your favorite band, you find the right place. I like this idea better than the video we covered, I guess, a couple weeks ago about the travel app. You're trying to find somebody to go to travel with. I mean, the concert is a lot less committal. Um, and like I said, I can relate to this because I have a friend from high school, and we really don't talk or see each other much at all. Yeah, like I may not talk to him in 2 years, but if we catch up, then like we never skip a beat. And our bonding is around we listen to the same music. Like we both really huge, not just Outkast fans, but Dungeon Family fans. So like Outkast, Goody Mob, and if you're familiar with some of these artists, Sleepy Brown, and Backbone, and Cool Breeze, and everybody else in that crew. And if any of them were performing live, or anything, or anyone affiliated with them performing live, more likely we both would be at that concert, and we'll link up for that concert. We may go to Waffle House or something afterwards or whatever and catch up. Just with life stuff. But real cool dude, doing him since eighth grade. You know what I mean? I haven't seen him in a few years actually, because well, you know what? I haven't seen him since the pandemic. Um, but yeah, so I can see the concept for it. I am curious about how this algorithm will work. And here, it said connect with fun, chill people attending your favorite artists at upcoming concerts. To me, that's the best case scenario. I mean, because like I hate to say it, I mean we still live in a wicked society where you also had to think about the worst case scenario. You got to think about safety. Like somebody's crazy or a crazed fan. Like have you seen a? I've seen some hardcore Beyonce fans, and what I mean. So like or Nicki Minaj fans or Taylor Swift fans, like it can get kind of creepy. So like, they're not somebody you may want to connect with and go to a concert with. So and no offense to the people who are fans of theirs, like this is the first thing that comes to mind. But I don't think they did any research here. I don't give any vibes here. They really thought this completely through because it's like you're working on best case scenario, in my opinion. Founder first moved to LA. She said she kept on missing out on her favorite artists, and the show was going to see it like LA. Concert Buddy came to mind. But now, oh yeah, so they did do this one thing. They did do one test here when I was reading through this. But yeah, after finding this problem, she started interviewing a focus group on her campus. And she figured out she wasn't the only one with the problem. She believed that people stopped buying the tickets just because they didn't have anyone to go with, and that's how the idea of Concert Buddy came to fruition. So she did do some work here. I wonder how big the focus group was, and how detailed was it to get insights. And then it was another thing that stood out to me was oh yeah, here. Which she tested it out. She said, yeah, we did 2 ticket giveaways for a concert, and they personally matched 2 pairs of people. That's not enough, you know. And but I like that. I'm glad that she did it. But one is not enough, and then two, what insight did you gain from that? Like from that experience, what they, was it a good experience? Was like did these people, did you do a follow up 2 months later? Are these people still talking to each other? Are they still going to events together? Like it's so much that goes into it. I feel like you need a UX designer researcher to work with you because cause as a founder you're gonna be biased, and it's gonna be certain questions you're gonna miss. So my personal opinion, she did try to do some things because a lot of campaigns that we covered they do none at all. So at least she done some of it. I just don't think it was somebody who works specifically in UX to help her with it. So that's my personal opinion. But let me know your thoughts. Like you think this was? Do you think this is a great idea? Would you use it or be interested in it? Do you agree or disagree with me about my thoughts? But like I said, I think it's a good idea. I just still feel like it just need to bake in the oven a little bit longer. I think you just need to do a lot more research and discovery with this thing. But anyway, I appreciate you once again for watching, and definitely check out other videos. You can check them out here.